Hey guys, it's Sarah at Finding Coastal Real Estate, and today I want to tell you about why the list price of a house is irrelevant. All right, houses sell for market value at the end of the day. The list price is really just an arbitrary number. It's a number that was decided sitting at a coffee table with the seller and the listing agent as they talked through comps and just how they feel and what they feel the home is worth. It's not necessarily a perfect scientific number reflecting the actual value of the property. It's instead oftentimes a strategic number, or honestly an emotional number that people are going with of what they think they want for the house. So one of the biggest mistakes I see buyers make is anchoring to the list price. They'll tell me things like, hey, I'm only willing to pay $10,000 over asking, or I don't want to go above asking, or I don't want to get into a bidding war. By doing that, you're never going to get the property. You have to dismiss what the list price is. Instead, look at number one, the true market value of the house. Number two, what is the house worth to you? If you really want this house, it's worth more to you than it is to someone else. And the third thing to really consider is what the other offers are coming in at. If you find out that you have a bunch of offers already over asking, market value is higher than asking price. So if you're a buyer in today's market, you really should just prepare yourself for a bidding war. Chances are a good property is going to have multiple offers. And when I say bidding war, I don't mean like a literal fist fight between buyers. It's just a matter of coming back after your initial offer and going in with your highest and best offer. So when someone says, hey, what's your highest and best? You should know, what's this house worth to me? What's the maximum you're willing to pay, and go from there. So you should already come into the property saying, I know what market value is. A good agent can help you with that. And then you should say, I love this house, I really want it, I have to have it. It's important to see multiple properties and really get an idea of what you want in a house so you can confidently go in and say, this is the house for me, I have to have this one, and I'm willing to go a little bit over asking if that's what it takes to get it. All right, so if you're looking to buy a house in San Diego and you need some guidance going through these tough waters of bidding wars and massive competition, I'm the real estate agent for you. Feel free to reach out with any real estate related questions. I'll drop my contact info below.